Good morning, everybody. This is Art with Pro Italia coming here to show you this 2026 Aprilia Rsv4 Factory. One of amazing bike, honestly. Amazing on the track, amazing on the street. But do me a favor, you guys. When you guys call in, ask for Art. Anybody else answers, just again, ask for Art. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Keep in mind, it does help me. We do have a couple different salespeople, so please help me out in that aspect. I really appreciate it. But let's get to the bike. Rsv4 Factory. Some pretty cool revisions that they did to it. The wings, personally, I think they did better than they did on the side. But more wings so you can cut through air. They did change up some of the exhaust at the bottom. So instead of being muffler and cat, now they got like a weird resonator box down there. But one of the awesome things they did with this bike, I'm still messing around with it, is the app that you can do. You got for track, corner by corner, navigation, and you can still change some things up with the bike. You can obviously connect your headset to your smartphone, share music and stuff like that, phone calls that you can answer. So, see up there. But let's check out how it sounds. So we got cruise control. Obviously with the Rsv4 Factory you do get the Olin suspension, semi-active, front and rear. Beautiful metallic paint job that they did to it. 4-inch aluminum wheels. Give it a little rev. I've had a few RSV4s and I've already ridden one of these. Honestly, this is a bike that I can't wait to ride on the track. Given the chance, I will do it. But come by, you guys. Come test it out. We do allow test rides. So we do accept trade-ins. And again, when you call or text, ask for me. My name is Art. I'm more than happy to help you guys. Any questions or concerns, feel free. Have a good one, you guys.